her, man, that shit over. It won't stop clapping. Oh my God, she asked me what I'm gonna do for that PPP. Bro, why would you do that? Cause that shit wasn't even funny.
Shit, I got. Come on, stop fucking playing with me.
Stop. Look at you. Now you look like a dumbass, cuz. Thank God. What up, YouTube? I'm back here with another banger, and I'm about to prank his ass. It's the prank. I'm about to prank his ass. So, he's kind of mad at me right now. I need to clean my car out. I've been waiting all day to clean my car out. What do y'all think it's gonna be? We're gonna go to the car wash. I'm gonna do a little roll down the window little thing, and he's gonna be so pissed because he's already mad. So it's just gonna be even. I don't know. He might do some crazy shit and try to break up with me and some other shit. I don't know. We gonna see. But we about to go to the car wash. We about to get back in the car. He's taking forever, so I don't know. Pray for me. I'm kind of scared how this gonna turn out. Make sure y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button, hit that bell so y'all can get post notifications when we drop them videos. And subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yes, y'all. See y'all in a minute. Oh, he's coming out. Here we go.
Oh shit. Hey, here we go again.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Pretty good.
Move forward. I'll show you what we're doing here. So we have two things that we do here. We have the memberships and we have the single washes.
Okay, let me just do a single.
You want to do a single?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just do the light wash.
Which one?
Light wash.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay. Continue. Okay. You want a receipt, ma'am?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming.
Yep, thank you. Have a good one.
Sparkle cake.
Huh?
Which one did I get? Shut up, man.
How the fuck he put no? Hold on. How the fuck he think put no ass?
Better be sincere texting me too. Be there, alright, just let me know when you get back. Damn, it's a little hot in this bitch, don't it? I'm a groovy man. I'm gonna touch you for the booty stand.
Did you ever scared of car washes?
When I was younger, I always found them satisfying. God, she asked me what I'm gonna do for that PPP. Bro, why would you do that? Cause that shit wasn't even funny.
Get out.
I'm sorry.
Fuck, cuz I'm creative, bro. That shit was really. That's the funny thing about it. You really thought that was funny, and then didn't even touch me. It's literally all on his car. Dude, stop, bro. Hey, dude, when you get in your car, look at you.
Thank God.
I jumped out the way.
And what's so crazy is I was really trying to save you because you've been rolling up this whole time, and I really shouldn't have fucking saved your stupid ass. I should have just got you wet in your fucking blood.
You bet. No, that bitch still here.
You lucky. I should have just got it.
Like, nah. Look at how dumb. Like, she literally got the whole fucking car wet.
No.
The whole car wet though, gang. The whole car, not even me. The whole car though. Like.
Cause you was holding your fucking blunt the whole time. That's.
Yeah, she salty.
I'm not salty, cause you still got.
Yeah, she salty. I didn't get wet. I'm perfect. I'm perfect. Literally perfect. That's on you. You was playing too much.
What happened to me?
I don't know what happened to your shit.
Why are they like this?
I don't know. You tell me. Fuck, look at her. Dumbass. All on you.
No, it's all on you. Turn the camera around and put it on you because you got pranked. You want to be a mad-ass little mad-ass person. Oh, okay, that's how you fix it. Yo, I was really trying to save him and his little piece of papers he got right here. That's why I didn't really do it, but it's cool. I got him enough. He got mad, didn't he? He got mad, didn't he? He got mad. How you feel?
Man, I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you don't care?
Cause that shit didn't get on me. It didn't get on me. I'm not wet. Now, if my shirt would have been soaked, it would have been a fucking problem around this motherfucker.
Well, maybe we should go back in and do it again.
Maybe you should just walk through the fucking car wash with no car.
Maybe you should walk through the car wash with no car. Anyways, y'all, I got his ass. Yes, I did.
You got yourself.
I got wet
You know what? Let me see the camera.
I got wet once.
Y'all, she playing crazy. You know what? Get this fucking video to 30 likes and I'm coming back harder than ever.
Get this video to 35 likes and I'm gonna come back before he come back. Stamp that. We gonna stamp that. I don't care. Nobody care. But I'm gonna tell y'all this. Make sure y'all give this video, like I said in the beginning, a like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell so you can get them notifications, and we will see y'all again.
Oh, he got it. Oh, no, nigga. Oh, bro. God.